2002 Toyota Tundra V6 3.4 liter oil change. So things you're gonna need to the oil change on this truck is obviously oil on the filter, 40mm socket with a ratchet on it or wrench, and something to drain the oil. So first thing you're gonna do is to pull up the dipstick. You don't have to pull it all the way. Open the oil cup. What's nice about doing oil change on the truck is that on most of the trucks you don't need to use the floor jack to lift it up or anything like that. You can get underneath it with no problems. So you're gonna get underneath, locate the drain plug, and start draining the oil. So you gotta put your 40mm socket or wrench on the drain plug and break it loose. You may want to grab a paper towel or something because there may be some oil that's gonna spill. And try not to drop the drain plug into the drain bucket. And now we're just gonna let it drain. So once the oil is drained, you gotta put your drain plug back in there. Right with the next oil change, I'm gonna have to replace that washer. It's kind of worn already, but I don't have any new ones with me, so hopefully this one will be still good. Next thing you gotta do is remove the oil filter, which is located on the driver's side on this truck, right above the oil pan. I'll try to show it to you guys. So you may be lucky and get it loose with your hand. Yeah, this one looks like it wasn't that tight. There's gonna be some oil that's gonna come out, so it's not really cleaned up. So break it loose a little bit and let it drain. Now take some paper towel or a rag and try to wipe this a little bit. Here's the new oil filter. It's Bosch, and what I recommend to do is put a little bit of new engine oil on the seal on the new oil filter. This one is a little bit bigger than the old one. Hopefully it fits well. It says it will fit. Yeah, it goes right in. I usually just tidy with my hand as far as I can, and I never had the problem with oil filter leaking or getting loose. But if you're not sure, you can use oil filter pliers or wrench or whatever and tighten it a little bit more. Now it's time to put the oil in. Grab your funnel and oil. And if I remember correctly, this one takes around 4.5 quarts of oil. I'm gonna put 4 and check the level, and then if I need to, I'll top it off. Now I gotta put my oil cap in, dipstick back in, start her up, let the oil get to the oil filter, let it run on idle for like 30 to 45 seconds, shut it off, let it sit for a few minutes, and recheck your oil level. If the level is good, it's good. You need to top it off, then you're gonna have to top it off. So now just let it sit for a few minutes and recheck your oil level and adjust if necessary. And this is the oil that I'm using in my truck. It's a 5W30 Castro Edge full synthetic. I always use full synthetic oils on all my cars and bikes. Thanks for watching.